Hi, chat. Howdy, howdy, howdy. What's happening? What's happening? Welcome to night 2 of Virtual Friends and Virtual Lands. This is my cute little idea for a theme week where we check out games that sold themselves as you gotta go. Hey, man, you gotta log on. You're gonna wanna hop on. We got a whole virtual world to explore. You're gonna meet people online and you're gonna make friends. Last night we looked at Ultima Online, the progenitor of the MMO, and that stream. I had a ton of fun with that stream. Can I be real with you? I don't know if that was fun to watch, but that was fun to like figure out. You know, it was like learning how to read Latin with only a Latin dictionary, with like a Latin alphabet, and that's it. You know what I mean? Like it was fun to try and put it together, and then by the end of it, where I'm like figuring out what to actually kind of do, was great. That was a ton of fun. Tonight though is kind of a flip of that, whereas Ultima Online was a game that I never played before. Perfectly, I don't know if I had even seen Ultima Online before. I knew about it, but I don't know if I had ever seen it. Tonight we're playing a game that at one point, when I was a young Babir, barely a boy, I put a considerable amount of time, energy, and my parents' money into. And that game tonight is going to be Webkinz, which isn't. And let me say, my going online playing games. The big one was Club Penguin, but I've streamed Club Penguin before. But second to Club Penguin was Webkinz. I had a lot of Webkinz when I was a kid. Not a ton, because I was not a rich kid. I was poor. But we would go to the local Hallmark. There was EB Games, and then right next to it was Hallmark. So we would go to EB Games, and Ratchet and Clank Up Your Arsenal. $20 for this. Or I go to the Hallmark next door. $20. That's a whole ass Webkinz. Shit. So you kind of had to, you had to pick and choose. What were you going to get? What were you picking up? Were you going to get a new video game, or were you going to get a new Webkinz? And I had a lot. Again, not a lot. I had maybe like 4 or 5. Most of them like birthday money, Christmas money. I'm not sure I ever received one as a gift. I think it was all I was given money, and then I would go and buy them. But Webkinz was, my memories of Webkinz was, if Animal Crossing was all about the daily grind and spending IRL money. That's what in my head, it's like that. It's all about decorating your room and putting funny clothes on your Webkinz, and then going and playing Flash games. But I want to say you're like limited to how many Flash games you can play a day. I don't know if that's true. I don't remember if that's true. That might just be you're limited to spinning the wheel. So this is a stream that we have joked about a lot on this channel. I have joked about, guys, we're gonna do a Webkinz stream. Yeah, guys, I think I'll be a Webkinz streamer now. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm just gonna get into Webkinz streaming. It's something we joked about, but kind of never thought possible, because while Webkinz is still up, I kind of thought that there wasn't really a way to put your Webkinz on the computer. I kind of thought that I would have to buy a new webcam, like brand new, and then from that is like, you know, that's how you log in. I thought like, okay, you need a webcam, but I thought that you have to buy like a you know, like a new one, like a brand new one. And I was like, that's not fun to me because they don't. Sorry to the Webkins Corporation. I don't think they look very good. I think new Webkins don't look great. So was just kind of never gonna do this. I don't know why, but Discord is not letting me do streamer mode now. I don't know what I did to piss off Discord, but when I search stream, it's like that isn't a thing that exists. It's like streamer mode isn't real. I cannot, for the life of me, figure out how to reactivate. Because Discord sucks. Are we all on the same page about that? Discord kind of fucking sucks. Let's just all hang out on Webkins. Why can, like, if you go into settings on Discord, you could search settings. I'm looking for streamer mode. If I type in streamer, nothing comes up. Let me type in mode. No. We don't know what that is. We ain't got it. Why do we ain't got it, though? May I ask? Why do we ain't got it no more? Did Discord, like, get rid of streamer mode? Am I crazy? Am I nuts? Authorized apps. How do I authorize streamer mode? You dumb ass. Am I dumb? Am I crazy? Game overlay. No. No, I don't want game overlay. I want streamer mode, man. Scroll down to the app settings section on the left sidebar. Click on streamer mode. I'm about to... Do they mean authorized apps? What do they mean app settings? App settings. There's nothing that says app settings. I'm getting app set, dude. One month ago, streamer mode is gone from Discord. Looks like it's in the appearance section. Appearance. Streamer mode. Why is it in appearance? Okay. Anyways, my point is this. This was like, this was the first Toys to Life that I remember, right? Webkinz was the first like Toys to Life thing. And it sucked the hell out of my money. Well, my parents' money, didn't it? Like, the amount of like scrolling, because, you know, as a kid, you're just clicking. You're just clicking and scrolling. And so I would scroll through, and Club Penguin would do this too. You could go to the shop, or you could go to like a merch thing, and you could just scroll, and you could look at, ooh, every Webkin released. Ooh, every Littlekin, every outfit, every whatever. And so you would make lists, or I would make lists, and, you know, I want this one, I want this one, I want this one, I want this one. Not realizing, like, none of them added anything that new to the game. And also not realizing that costs a lot of money, and we don't have that. But we had joked for a long time on the stream. Oh, I'll become a Webkin streamer. Oh, I'm going to become a Webkin streamer. But I didn't want to buy one of the new Webkins because they changed how Webkins are designed. And to me, Webkins is a very distinct art style that I'm not going to say I like love, but you know, I have nostalgia for. And I did not know that you could use old stock Webkins. And so when I went to the flea market about, what, a month ago, there was a stand that was selling a bunch of old stock, brand new Webkins, allegedly. Now this might backfire on me. You know, you got to get them in the Webkins commemorative gift bag, which is crazy. I would love to hear the story on where this came from. Because it's just Gans. It's just Gans. Like, it's not like Macy's. It's not like Hallmark. But anyways, the tags on these look unopened. The notes on these said that they were unopened, unused. But we have a Webkin and a Littlekin. This is the Webkin, this is the Littlekin. And I bought this because it was cheap, and also like we could finally do the stream. We could finally do that goddamn Webkin stream. And so when I was putting together ideas for this, it was like, we'll do the Webkin stream then. That's perfect. Because Webkins sold itself as a virtual land where you can make virtual friends. And I will say, from my personal experience, I don't think I ever made any friends. You could add friends. but I don't think you could meet people. And from my personal experience, I'm not really sure. I'm really sure if this is a virtual land as much as it is like, what if you had to pay real ass money for Neopets? Which, to Neopets' credit, there's a land to explore. I don't really remember there being a land to explore with Webkinz. I just remember a lot of Flash games to play to make enough money to afford to buy furniture. But I do like playing Flash games to earn currency to buy furniture. When there were still Club Penguin private servers to play, which there still are, but the ones that I was playing on, I got into that grind. I love grinding in many ways. And so I'm like, man, am I gonna do this stream and like get addicted to Webkinz? Am I gonna do this stream and like you're gonna see me in 6 months like, hey, anyone in the chat got that Love Frog Webkinz I could buy mint? You got that mint? Anyone got the code? Is there code? Ooh, is there code duping? Has anyone cracked the Webkinz code? Is there code duping in Webkinz? I guess we'll find out. Because I am interested in seeing, like, is this gonna... Did I get scammed at the flea market? It does say on this. Can I read this to you? Minimum supported browser. Internet Explorer 6, Netscape Navigator 7.2, Firefox 1.0, or AOL Explorer 1.5. You gotta make sure your monitor resolution is at least 1024 by 768. Tag safe. If you ever forget your username or password, the secret code in this tag will allow you to access your Webkinz World account. This is the seal. I got the seal. This is the normal Webkinz. This is the first one we'll register. This is iconic. This is a classic Webkinz, in my opinion. It's also one of the funniest looking ones to me because he always looks sad. The eyebrows, he always looks sad. And then I did get a Littlekins. Now, I think I did have a Littlekins when I was a kid. I think I had the Bullfrog, and then I had a Littlekins of that same Bullfrog. So I was like, this is his kid. But I got a Tiny Cock. And a Littlekin, too. And then the commemorative gift bag. Now, here's the thing. There is a small chance. There is a small, but more than 0% chance I might remember my login information from 2009. So if you'll indulge me, I want to see if I can hack in to my original Webkinz account from when I was a kid. Username. What was my username? I bet it was TMNT. That was my username on... I would go to like a bunch of the guys who worked on the original Ninja Turtles comic in the 80s. They had Blogspot sites. And so I made an account so I could like comment on them, but I'm like 12 years old on these people's websites being like, "Whoa, these are cool. I love Raphael." It's like Eric Talbot is like, "Yeah, here's art I did for Hellboy." So that might be my username. What is my password? If I crack this, if I hack in and I crack this right now, you're gonna see me go apeshit. I wonder if my username was just Timothy. This is why I use the same username and password nowadays, because then in 20 years when I need to log into my Final Fantasy 14 account, I can't. If I have forgot password, what happens if I do? I don't think anything, apparently. Do not forget your oh, here we go. Oh, uh-oh. Wait, I think I broke it. Parents' email. I know my parents' email. I know exactly what he... Sorry, that email address you provided is not associated with any WebKids account. Shit! What could it be then? My mom has had the same email for 20 years. And it's telling me that that's not that email. I wonder if there was a server migration thing at some point. And my account's just gone. Because that happened to me with Minecraft. Minecraft did a server migration and it wiped my original Minecraft account from existence. There is, in fact, no, it's gone. It's just gone. So the fact that my mom's email address from 2009 doesn't work right now, which, let me just say, I'm not disappointed, because if it did work, that would have been fucking nutso, right? But I have to assume there was some kind of wipe. Well, I think I'm going to have to make a new WebKids account, guys. Unfortunately, I think my original WebKids are lost to time and space. I'll never see old pickle puss, old froggy legs, old baby frog, old John the hairy dog. I'll never see them again. They have passed away. I just want to say though, just to prove my point about new WebKids is ugly to me. So this is the new WebKids game. This is WebKids Next. This is what they want you to play. But everyone just wants to play the original. But look at the. Hold on. No, don't do that. It's gonna show my address. Look at the way new Webkinz plush are. Like they're kind of like bad Beanie Babies. Whereas these ones, the original ones, have like these little tiny beady eyes. The new ones have big eyes. The generic style of the time. Yeah, exactly. Also, hi, Caitlin. Thank you for coming. Whereas the little beady eyes, I feel like gave these a specific look. There was a definitive look on these. All right. Oh well. Oh wait. Play Classic Converter. See, now here's the thing. You can download an application, and I have. But you also can just play it in browser. And I'm wondering what the difference is. Maybe we go with browser. Maybe that'll be easier to capture. Or it's going to give me big viruses in my computer. I'm realizing now, I don't know if the Webkinz website is a safe place to download .exe files directly to my desktop. This might have been a bad call. All right, we're still good. Is anyone getting pings that like my social security number's out there? Is anyone getting wow, there's no music here. Okay. Let's hit play, I guess. Also, to answer your question, are you king of Webkinz yet? No, because there are people who are still dedicated to Webkinz. Did you know Webkinz is a Twitch category? And did you know I'm not the only person streaming this right now? Play. I'm gonna give this one more shot. I'm gonna go watch someone else then. No, you're not. You're gonna sit down. You're gonna watch me. They might be there might be another. You lied. Oh, okay. There was someone else streaming Webkinz when I went to go live though, because when I chose the category, it said 8 viewers. It said Webkinz Classic 8 viewers. So someone else was streaming Webkinz. What do we think the password is? I've tried all of the ones I can think. But I bet this was, because this was so early on in my time on the internet, I bet my password was like, I like pie. $13. Wouldn't that be crazy if that worked that time? Wouldn't that have been insane? I wonder though. If I had all the time in the world, I bet I could get this. If this account isn't deleted, wiped from existence after 16 years of inactivity, I bet I could get this. But maybe we should just make a new account. Maybe it would be better if I just make a new account.
Hello there.
Jesus
I'm
Christ.
Miss Birdie. I run the adoption center here in Kinsville. Are you looking to start a new account on Webkinz World? If so, let's begin. Please choose one of these free pets. If you have an adoption code, You can either skip adopting a free
Wait,
pet,
the free.
or
Wait, I
add it
didn't need
after
the
you've
plush in the
created your
first
account.
place. Well, now I feel stupid. The free ones, these are nice for free pet. The elephant's cool. The penguin's cool. But I think I'm just going to put in my adoption codes. I kind of want to like claim a free one and then put in my adoption code. Can I do that? Or am I like Webkin smurfing if I do that? They look so sad when you aren't choosing them. Yeah. You gotta save them. She used to sit at a desk. She used to sit at a desk. Now she stands outside. This free pet shit, this never existed when I was a kid. Well, I think I'm just going to put in my adoption code. As much as I like the penguin, he's very cute. I like all of them. Hey, is the screen? Can you let me know if you see the screen like flicker? Just every once in a while. It's been doing it. Been fine. Okay, just keep your eyes peeled. Keep your peepers peeled. She does look like Howard the Duck. I will agree with that. I love that the house back here is a crusty JPEG. Her arms. Oh yeah, is she not a duck? I always thought she was a duck. All right, I have an adoption code. You'll be able to go back and adopt a free pet once you use an adoption code. Are you sure you don't want your free pet? No, I want my free pet. All right, we'll pick a free one. Then I'll put in my codes. What should we go? What should we do? Which one should we choose? I like the penguin. I like the bunny. The firefox is cool. The cat's cool. I don't know what this is. I like the elephant. The elephant and this thing here were like these are like those are like the rare ones. Like you gotta know someone who works at Hallmark to get that one. I would choose the kitty or the fluffy dog. I do like the fluffy dog. I do like the penguin. The penguin does feel proper classic Webkins to me. Oh, but look at the dog. Look how, all of them. Oh, nice little smiles. That dog is elated. That dog's smiling with his eyes. I'm going to go with the dog. I'm going to go with the big dog.
Okay, now all we need to know before we can send this pet home with you is their name and whether they are a boy or a girl.
Boy. Pet's name. I'm going to name him. I'm going to name him. You would pick boy. Well, you are what you eat. I'm going to name him. Barrel. I'm going to name him Fat Fuck Barrel Boy. Can I say fuck on Webkins? They actually might not let me do that. I'm going to name him. I like the name Barrel. I'm going to name him Barrel. They said Baron? No, not Baron. No, Barrel. I'm going to name him Barrel.
Now you need to create a username, password, and a greeting name for your
No,
pet to
I
use
did
for
not
you.
name him Baron
For
Trump.
security, please don't use your real name. You can save a picture of this page so you can remember this information later.
All right, chat, screenshot this for me, please. Username, funny little guy. Password. Oh, that's going to show my... Okay. All right, hold on. Hold on, I got to do this because maybe I want to get back into this account at some point. So I actually have to make it one of my passwords that I remember. Okay, greeting name. This is what your pet will call you. Mikey.
Rules and let us know if they want to set up a parent account.
Okay, I have to set up a parent account. This is like having a cosigner. Anyone want to be my parent account? This is a weird dom sub relationship. My kink is being the Webkins parent account holder. I'm just gonna agree to this. Don't tell my mom that I set up a Webkins account without her consent, please. Would you like us to create a parent account for controlling third-party ads, chat permission, and recovery? Password recovery? Nah. Nah. Wow. Jesus. Hey,
Congratulations!
This is not
Your
how this
adoption
was
a success.
in like 2008.
Now it's time to meet your new pet.
Oh, he kissed me. I can't read what you're saying. I don't know what you just said to me. Okay. Wow. Now, this is how the game worked, but you did not... I don't remember there being a tutorial back in the day. Oh my god, I remember that sound effect, though. Okay, yeah, you gotta feed him. Yeah, I know. Can you feed me a snack? How about you eat the fire truck? Okay, eat this piece of pizza. This game needs audio tuning. Did it, chat? Did it just flash for a frame for you? Okay, let's go home. Wow, this is not how this used to be.
Before we take you home, let's choose a new room for your pet. Which one do you think they'll like?
Wait, it's not just a blank
everything is
room?
perfect.
This is crazy. Kids these days, they don't know. Kids these days, they get all the Webkin stuff for free. Back in my day, we had to grind for this shit. Let's say put them in the kids' room.
Nice choice. They're going to love it. Now, I've added some Kins Cash to your account. You can use it to take care of your new pet. Have fun!
There's a lot of stuff on my screen. There's like a lot on my screen. Okay. Do we want to give him the... Oh, okay. Oh, no, wait. No, don't put the red baseball cap on. Wait, take that off. Barrel, take that off, man. Hold on. He don't know. He don't have internet, chat. He don't know. How do I remove this from him? Puppy Grub Tub. Baked bean bratwurst. Puppy Grub Tub. Grub Tub. Give on the up nub. Oh, it's a shower? You got a jub. Oh, it's the puppy grub tub jub. Okay. Here's a cool balloon. That's pretty badass. Oh, I made him eat that. Okay. Yo, this is tight. Oh, I got a second box. Oh, if I log in tomorrow, I get that. Okay, wear the theater usher cap instead. That's better. I think. Okay. This is not how this game was back in the day. This is not a true Webkinz classic. Friends list. Okay, who want to add me on Webkinz? Guys, Webkinz free. You get free pets. Who want to add me on the Webkinz? Deluxe trial.
Welcome to your free deluxe trial, where you'll be able to enjoy all the benefits of being a deluxe member, including access to all areas of Webkinz, like Vacation Island
What?
and the KinStyle shop.
What?
You'll be able to play all the games in the arcade and buy any item available for Kinz Cash at our Webkinz shops. As you'll see, deluxe members get more daily activities, more prizes, and more places to play. It's your all-access pass to Webkinz World. Click Go Deluxe to extend the membership.
You gotta pay a subscription for Webkinz now? I'm living in hell. I'm living in hell, man. I'm living in hell. Okay. Check the mail. Open. Lindbergh. Okay. She gonna give me $200, $2,000 if I play for the next 3 days. That's sad. Wow, guys. Download the app. I can play this anywhere. Would you guys respect me if I was like, if I, instead of like getting into like cool gacha games or whatever, I just got hardcore into Webkinz? Would you guys like respect me as an apex predator? Wow, this still works. Multiplayer network? This is exactly how it was back in the day. Watch this. I'm a Connect Four god. Oh wait, I'm the second player too. Hold on. One player game. Watch this. Watch this. I'm about to blow some minds. Watch this. Young pup never saw it coming. Watch this. Watch me. Watch me now. Young pup. No, wait, he won. He threw. Whoa. Okay. Here's how I can win. And here's how I can still win. Fuck! Turn it off. Shut it off. Deluxe challenges June. Earn one. Is that a okay. Earn 100 Kins Cash playing Get 11 Solitaire. Spin the deluxe wheel. Okay, should I register my actual plush now? There's so many things on my screen. How do I adopt a new child? Employment office. Hey, we ain't going there. Hey, we ain't going there.
Please enter the adoption code that came with your pet.
All right, let's adopt the actual ones that I spent real IRL money on. So we'll start with the seal. Here's the thing. I think you do have to cut the tags off. That's the anti-theft device. As far as I'm aware. Unless I can like shimmy this out. No, you definitely got to cut. Oh, this seems dangerous. Like I'm worried I'm gonna like cut the flush. Okay. All right. Tag removed. We still got our guy. Guy still acquired. Man still here. No one died tragically in the fire, and we're all thankful for that. All right, I'm not going to show you the code because you guys are going to snipe the code. But you can watch me type it in because you guys aren't going to get it. If anyone steals this Webkinz code from me, I'm gonna sue you. Next step.
Okay. Now all we need to know before we can send this pet home with you
That easy.
is their name and whether they are a boy or a girl.
Look at this little guy. I'm gonna say it's a boy. No, I'm gonna say it's a girl. And we're gonna name. Chat, what do we name this one? What do we name this little girl? Plooper. Wafer. Sonic the Hedgehog. See, that's how when I was a kid, that's how I would name these things. This one is a frog, and I named it Shadow the Hedgehog. This is Gorbachev. Little Gorbachev. Susie? Susie's like cute though. That's like a cute. That's like a good name that you should name things. Incredibly loud, incorrect buzzer. Steve Harvey Jr. Well, now I want to name it that. Steve Harvey Jr. This is fucking stupid. um, yeah, little Steve Harvey Jr. Did you know? No. Oh my God, stop.
Congratulations! Your adoption was a success. Now it's time to meet your new pet.
Why they do that? Why they just damn. I was hoping that someone special would adopt me, and you did. Yeah, you could say that. Okay, let's feed here. Do you want some cookies? Wow. Okay, open this. Whoa, corn! Guys, we got corn on the cob. It's a good day. Snack machine. Okay. Steve Harvey Jr., you should wear the red ball cap. Jesus Christ. And yeah, in the red t-shirt. Jesus Christ. Okay, let's go home. Is there room for Steve Harvey Jr. to live it? Oh, yeah, that's right. That sounds about right. Can we see Barrel's room? Yeah, there's Barrel. Why is Steve Harvey Jr. constantly trying to kiss me? Is there an easy way to switch pets? When I was a kid, it was really easy to switch pets. Complete level 5 of the style class at the Kinsville Academy. To dance? What? Check out their bio in My Pets. Okay. Whoa, you could see who was last online. Jack with cock. Butt with big. What? I don't think these are real. I think we got bots. I think Webkins is a bot problem. Where was the door to come in here? All right. This is how you live. Nice. I forgot you give them baths. Right in the eyes. Right in the eyes. This was, hey man, other kids I knew were playing like Call of Duty. I was doing this shit. Wow. Okay, put a whole ass vending machine in her room. Fuck it. She lives in like the back hallways of a mall. Where it's just like concrete and vending machines and bulletin boards no one has used in 30 years. Cool. You just like live like this or what? What's that? Give me that. Open this. See, they're giving me goo goo berries, and I don't know what that means. And you're starting to scare me. Okay. Now, I think the Littlekins is it's just another Webkin, but they were smaller. Like, that's it. Is there like an easy way? Am I crazy? Oh, here we go. This is how you change them. You have 0 helpers. Wow. Congratulations, who is this? Who is this little character? Do you see this?
Why trade your stars with Alyssa when you can trade them with me? Alyssa offers pixie pucks, but I offer prizes. What do you say?
I don't know who you are.
I'll give you this prize if you trade with me. Do we have a deal?
Sure.
Looks like you need to collect some more stars. Goodbye.
I don't know who you are. Hi, I'm Steve Harvey Jr. Thanks for taking care of me. I've been told that I am bright, and a good artist. Okay. I think reading scary stories is the best. I'm pals with a misty koala. I really like the taste of popcorn. Nice, man. All right, Steve Harvey Jr. What is this? What is this? Dude, the famous monkey. The cheeky monkey. I don't know how to give medallions. I don't know what this is. I don't know your Daffy Pals. All right, let's adopt my tiny guy.
The adoption code.
Hi, Rain. Hi, my good friend Rain. I've become a Webkin streamer now. I'm gonna get into Webkins RP. I'm playing 372 books on shelves without using magic. Oh, placing. I think librarians do that every day without using magic. Trying to get this open. Are you having fun? Okay, so you do have to like tear apart the code thing. I'm sure there's like some Webkins heads who are like gonna get upset with me. I'm sorry. As someone who played this as a kid, I'm sorry that I'm opening the codes. Okay. All right, so this is from my little cock. PNFM. No one steal this code. No one steal the code.
Okay. Now all we need to know before we can send this pet home with you is their name and whether they are a boy or a girl.
I'm going to say boy. And we're going to name him Rooster. I like this guy. This guy's fun. I'm going to name him Corn. Little Cornman. Tiny Cornman. My third playthrough of what? What are you playing? What do I name this guy? Chat, tiny chicken suggestions. If you had a tiny chicken, what would you name it? Chicken teriyaki. Okay, good name. Good name. What should I name him? Fucker. Tiny chicken, I'm going to name. I like Brewster. But I feel like Brewster is like a stereotypical chicken name. Oh, because I'm thinking of Broster. There used to be a place at the county fair. And I think it went by like Broster's Chicken. Or maybe it was like the Broast House. I'm going to name him Brewster because it sounds like rooster. Brewster. You've earned Friend of the Foul badge. Wow. Jesus Christ.
Congratulations!
Look how small he
Your
is.
adoption was a success. Now it's time to meet your new pet.
Stop. All of them kiss me too much. Don't do that. Please help me get dressed. All I got is a bow. Here, open the chicken present. Egg chair. Candy corn capote. Trap door. Wait, why did I unlock a trap door? Go home. Librarian, tidy up the arcane library. What is that like? I think I've seen the like Discord thing of you playing that. Put the trapdoor in your home. Put the egg chair in your home. Oh, that was just food. Okay. Okay. I live here now. Go into the trapdoor. No, go into the trapdoor. Are we gonna do like barbarian shit? Oh, kinda. You can move between rooms. That's kind of cool. You earned a pet medallion. So you can earn free pets now? That, man, back in the day, we would have killed each other to unlock free pets. I and the other 11-year-olds would have gone insane murdering each other over the idea of obtaining free pets. Look how small he is, though, compared to the seal and the dog. All right, well, let's play as Steve Harvey Jr. Oh. Okay. Thanks. I got a magic W. Now, okay, now we go places. Let's go to the Kinsville map. Let's just take a look. I swear on my life, this is not how this looked when I was a kid. Wait, do you get to build the town? You build the town? Brother, this is not how this was when I was a kid. How interesting. I don't know what that did, but I did it. Okay. Click here for a W shop coupon. All right. Wow, 30% off one item. Wow, man. This is, wow.
There's something new in Webkinz World. A new way to get more out of your Webkinz account. More activities, more stuff, more exclusives. Deluxe membership has arrived. When your parent signs you up at the e-store, you'll start getting great
I guess
benefits
this was
right
a
away.
thing.
A monthly gift box with an exclusive clothing prize.
I guess this
Access
was a
to our
thing when I was
Deluxe
a kid.
Activities tab. A special hat to let everyone know that you're deluxe. And with a yearly account, an incredible super deluxe item not available anywhere else. Your parent will also receive e-store points every month. It's an incredible value. So get ready to take your Webkinz account to the next level. Sign up, get more, go deluxe.
Yeah, 2009. I forgot there was a subscription. I wonder if I had this at any point. I wonder if we had the money for this at any point. I have to assume we didn't, but you know, you never know. Let's get a job, employment office.
Hi, I'm Tabby Von Meow.
Oh,
I'd like to welcome you to
yeah!
the employment office.
Whoa!
If
I
you
remember
can get a job,
this.
Look at the jobs on the job board and choose one you'd like to do. If you finish a job successfully, you'll earn lots of Kinz cash. Easy jobs are yellow, medium jobs are blue, and hard jobs are green. So go ahead, choose a job.
Wow. Wow. Okay. Damn, man. This blew my, when I was a young babu, this was gaming.
Good for you. You did really well.
Wow.
I'm so happy I have hard workers like you. Check the clock to see when you can do your next job.
Chad,
See you in a little while.
should I print this out? Yeah, and then you have to wait 8 hours and you can play the mini game again. Okay, this is starting to make a lot more sense with my memories of what this game was like. Okay, what is Clubhouse and trading? Is this for the trading cards? Because I do remember there being trading cards. Kins Chat Plus? Kins Chat Plus, part of. In order to play in this area, you need your parents' or guardian's permission. Please tell your parent or guardian, go to the Webkins World homepage, click on the parents area, parental account controls. Okay. I don't know if I ever used this. Doug's collector room. I don't know if I ever used whatever's happening here. Oh, it's just literally like virtual rooms to meet other players. So you could meet other players. Rap. Shouts out. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Whoa. Why does it say rap? What do you mean rap? Okay, get me out of here. Get me out of here. I don't know if I did that. Club Penguin, I talked to a lot of people. That I did. I don't remember using that. Tournaments. This is interesting because it does feel like how it felt when I played Webkins. But this is, no offense to Webkins, but like kind of stable. Wacky Zingos. Damn! 16 people are playing Wacky Zingos right now? Holy shit. Zingos pop. I remember Zingos. We should play the Flash games. We should probably get into the Flash games.
What's up? You're hanging in the Kinstyle outlet, the coolest clothing store around. My name is Polly Jean Collie, but you can call me PJ. This is where you'll find all the hip, funky, and fashionable
Girl,
threads
you
that will
dress
keep your
like it's
pet looking
2008.
stylish. You can also try the clothing machine to transform your old outfits into brand new items. And don't forget to check out the special item on the table in front of me. It changes all the time, so keep coming back for totally rad deals and maybe even a special surprise.
What if I put pants on the seal? Sea turtle shirt. You guys got anything like chicken themed? Clearance. Cool cowboy boots. Wait. Add to cart. Chicken hat. Add to cart. Rugged overalls. Add to cart. Wow, there is damn, there's a lot of shit to buy, huh? Do you think Steve Harvey Jr. should wear this? Whoa. It's like almost all of my money though. Whoa. Well, Steve Harvey Jr. does already have a shirt. What about pants? Again, what happens if we put pants on a seal? How does a seal wear pants? Let's give it underwear. Let's put a diaper on it. Add to cart. Okay. Footwear. What kind of shoes would Steve Harvey Jr. wear? How does a seal wear shoes? I just thought about that. Okay, I have 3 minutes to buy clothes. Okay, Pride Month shoes. Add to cart. Dresses and skirts. Oh, I like the froggy smock. Add to cart. Hats. Add to cart. Dude beanie. That's cool. I would wear that. Face. What the hell is that? Oh, you can get a mask? Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, son of a bitch. Webkins went woke. Belts. Yeah, that's good. Checkout. Okay, that's basically all of my money. Buy items.
It's a bunch. You are one cool customer.
Steve Harvey Jr. loves winning cash. Nice, man. That's cool. Okay, let's put the froggy smock on Steve Harvey Jr. And the pride shoes. Wait, take the froggy smock off. How does a seal wear shoes? That's fucked up. Put a diaper on her. Okay, now put the froggy smock on. There's different outfit type. That's crazy. Okay, she kind of cute now. All right, what's in the magical forest? I don't know what this is. I have no idea what I'm even looking at. What was that? What just happened? What is happening? Oh, okay. Mach 1 turtle prize figure. What? Okay. Okay. What just happened? Oh yeah, there were Kins clips. Damn. There were Kins clips and you could enter the Jesus, man. They really milked us. Miss. What constitutes a hit? Oh. That.
Congratulations! You've got yourself a comet! Please accept this gift as reward.
Okay. Oh shit, which path do we go? Chat, which path? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which path do we go down? 1, the stone eyes. 2, Pride Month. 3, piss path. And 4, Barbie World. Where do we walk? Three for piss path. Hello? I unlocked the top hat. Why are there so many scratch offs in this game? Okay. What did this do? There, I just put a charm. Okay. What is any... Again, it's like, I feel like I'm playing Neopets. Where it's a lot of just like, what is happening right now? Okay. All right. Oh, okay. Now we go to Magic Mire. Okay, chat. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Do we go to Candyland? Do we go to the Cave of Wonders? Do we just go for a nice walk in the park? Or do we go to the North Pole? I feel like we gotta go to Candyland, right? 4? All right, we're going to the North Pole. That one. Sap Glop. Nothing new for the collection. Mods ban her. Pixie Pop Pachinko. You have no seeds. How do I get... You know, I don't care. You know what? I don't know. Music Stars. Oh no, 33 original songs. Oh, I like to clown around. Miss Kitty. Let's make the world a better place. Do you want to party? Just want to be your friend. What is that one? Have you ever met a girl that you tried to date? Okay. Piggy Plum Pie. A dog with a bow in her hair. Mustache Louie. I got a lot of soft spots for you. I don't like that one. I love being a spotted frog. I say that all the time. Damn. So many. I mean, this is like this is like Beatles. Let's listen to Piggy Plum Pie.
Life on the farm is a life for me. I'm a happy piggy with a piggy family. We like having picnics by the lake. My good friend is a cow named Chester. His good friend is a dog named Lester. Lester's mama, she could really bake. She bakes us piggy plum pie with the ice cream high.
All right, this
Piggy
fucking
plum
rules.
pie with a cinnamon swirl. My oh my, how I love that pie. Piggy plum pie with the ice cream high. Piggy plum pie is the best pie in the world. Me and Chester, we like to play down by the cornfield, over by the hay. We always work up a mighty thirst.
Who's skanking right now?
Right around noon, we like to eat. Me and Chester, we like our sweets. We always have our dessert first. We eat our piggy plum pie with the
Oh,
ice cream
they're blowing my eardrums
Piggy
out.
plum pie
This
with
is
a
not
cinnamon
that loud to you, chat. This is the loudest thing in the world to me.
Piggy plum pie with the ice cream high. Piggy plum pie is the best pie in the world.
I can't hear myself talk right now. Why is this the loudest thing in the world? All right, let's try a different one. Let's go with the dog on the front of the tag. All right, who's skanking to this right now?
I am the dog on the front of the tag. I'm as famous can be. Everyone wants my autograph. They all want to be friends with me.
All right, I like this one.
Whenever I go for a walk down the street, I always attract the crowd. Everyone wants to stop and greet with a moo or a bark or a meow. Sometimes I just want to stay at my place and eat these flavored gumdrops. I got a sweet Tammy Mat and a full bite of waste, but my special goldfish is tops. I am the dog on the front of the tag. I'm as famous can be. Everyone wants my autograph. They all want to be friends with me. Oh, that's nice. Hey, you push boy.
This is the kind of stuff that I would spend like legitimately like 12 hours a day after school watching, being like, whoa.
Hey, wait a minute. I'm the dog on the front of the tag.
All right, one more song. We haven't even played the Flash games yet.
If things are slow all around the block, you wanna sing, but they all wanna talk.
Is this the best stream I've ever done?
Feeling won't last. There's one question I gotta ask. Have you ever had the chance to see a silly platypus dance? Well, I have, and believe you me, it's the craziest sight that you'll ever see. Go, 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 Google.
That's enough of that. I've had enough of that. I've had enough of that. Okay. The Academy. I remember this.
Welcome to the Kinsville Academy. I am Miss Caroline.
So you would have your webkins take classes to get their skills up,
On the
but their
blackboard, you'll
skills
find
never
2 different
really
types of
did
courses,
much,
Basic and talent.
as far as I remember.
Basic courses are the core curriculum at the Academy for improving your pet's different attributes. Talent courses are special classes
Oh,
and special competition training.
Hey,
You can
why
sign
is
up
there
any
2
pet
of
for
her?
1 class at a time, to a maximum of 3 classes a day. You can monitor your pet's progress through their report card. Check it to see how they're doing, what pins they've earned, and what other new things they've achieved. Once your pet has completed 10 levels in all 6 basic courses, they'll earn their very own Kinsville Academy diploma.
Okay. All right. Steve Harvey Jr. Hit him with the speed. Okay, I remember this. You just gotta rotate. You see, you just gotta rotate that shit. And for some reason it gets louder and louder. Yeah, guys, I'm a master. I don't want to brag or anything.
Good work. Such a splendid student you're raising. I can see them really moving up in the world.
I'm gonna print this shit out when I have a kid. I'm gonna print this shit out and I'm gonna like show it to my kid. I'm gonna be like, "Oh, you got what's that? You got to be in social studies?" Yeah, Steve Harvey Jr. Yeah, excelled at speed. So
There's still more opportunities for learning today if you'd like.
yeah, give me another one. Let's do grooming. Yeah, Steve Harvey Jr. should learn how to groom. Yeah, that sounds good. I'm not reading all that.
This is the hairdo for me.
I'm not reading all that. Just finish.
Now that looks wonderful.
I got it.
This is the hairdo for me.
Okay, we are gonna we're gonna curl. We're gonna curl it. Okay. And then we want to do we want to cut the bangs? Oh, I don't know if that was right. Oh no, maybe that was. Maybe that was. Okay, hair dye. Start from the front. If you dye your hair multiple colors, what color do you start with? Do you work darkest to lightest, or do you work lightest to darkest? Or do you work front to back, side to side? This is still not right. There we go. Okay. Finish.
Now that looks wonderful.
Good.
Very good indeed.
Yeah, see, I'm gonna
You
print
may
this
have a
out.
pet prodigy
Hey,
on your
a
hands.
little Michael Jr. Look at this. Steve Harvey Jr. was great at grooming and speed. What can you do?
There's still more.
All right, let's do like a mental like style class. Are we gonna memorize this? Okay, yellow shirt, black shorts. Oh, that's just the rotate the model. Was that the right shirt? Yeah. Judge. Next model. Okay, green and blue. This is hard stuff. Now, this is tough. This is, this is going to put the, if you're a gamer, this is really going to put you to the test here. All right. Unless you're bleaching. He makes the bleach process faster, so you bleach your roots later. Interesting. So basically, none of the things that I said are applicable options. You don't treat it like painting where you go from like light to dark. Does she have on black pants? Yeah, I don't mean to brag or
Very good
nothing.
indeed. You really may have a pet prodigy on your hands. The Academy is certainly paying off for them.
What does any of this do though?
Well, it's been an educational day now, hasn't it? I hope we'll see your little student
Bonus
looking
class.
for some extra credit. Being a top student means they can take one more class here each day.
Is it weird that I'm attracted to her? I don't think that's weird at all. I think that's pretty in line. I think that checks out. Okay. All right. I think I got this. Okay. So don't I want it to just stay? Oh, we need more. All right, Judge. That was the class.
Good indeed. You really may have
Hey,
a pet prodigy
draw
now.
a circle.
The
A
academy
plus.
is certainly paying off for them. Well, it's been an educational day now, hasn't it? I hope we'll see your little student back here tomorrow for some higher learning. Goodbye.
I'm in love with you. To the playground. Yeah, let's dig some shit up. Why not? I don't remember this. Is that a pair of cymbals? Okay. I don't even know what that is. What do I, wait, that's like a vest? That's like it's like a spelling bee vest, but with bug wings. Why? All right, let's shoot some hoops. You have to do 15 days of classes to play that mini game again. Okay. There are choices in this game. Roll again. Oh, this is gambling. Oh, if I roll the same number twice, I lose. Oh, it's gambling. I lost. Okay. I love gambling. Okay, a desk.
Back from recess so soon? Well, I hope you enjoyed yourself. Remember, you must complete 15 full days of classes in order to
Damn,
visit
you
the
can
schoolyard
only
again.
do that again
In the meantime, you will find
2
a delicious
weeks.
packed lunch in your dock. It's never a good idea to study on an empty stomach.
That seems a little outrageous, no? All right. What was that? The school? Let's go to the park. Kins chat. Oh, this is just rooms to go to again. Again, I don't remember. I really don't remember socializing a lot in Webkins. I think because I never had Kins Chat Plus.
Good evening. This is Fred Rover welcoming you to the Webkins
I don't like your
Stadium.
fingers.
Did you bring dinner? Check our schedule for upcoming competitions.
Top 10 list. Top 10 players this month. Any moment now. Lou. Wait. Deluxe. Bro, okay. There's people. Good on that. The Curio Shop. Now this I remember.
Isn't one of my extra special customers. Welcome to the Curio Shop.
This guy always whenever I would talk to Willie in GTA RP with his deep voice and big mustache, I always thought about this guy. I always thought about art. About art. I want to spin the wheel. How do I spin the wheel? Go shop. Tubby tummies. Stop yawning.
Well now, buying on a first visit. My kind of customer.
Buy this sink. Sure.
Well now, buying on a first visit. My kind of customer.
Gem
Today
hunt.
looks like a good day for some mining.
Oh, this is what I'm thinking of. Yeah. Start mining. Yeah. Yeah, you click on the rocks.
Congratulations! Looks like you found yourself a gem. You can keep that gem for your collection and try for that legendary Crown of Wonder, or I can buy it from you if you like. Let me see what I can offer. I see a lot of these, but they do sell well.
Then I'll
so
keep it.
No deal, huh? Okay.
I remember
Good luck with
like
that
thinking
connection.
I was gonna get that Crown of Wonder. I was so excited. I got so close. Wow.
Check out my special extra stock.
Oh shit.
Only available to special customers like you.
I don't have that kind of money. Wait, yeah, I do. Bye.
Well now, buying on a first visit. My kind of customer.
I really need you to shut up. Sorry. Okay, when do I get to spin the wheel? Is that on the vacation island? There's a vacation wheel. I just remember a lot of wheels to spin. But also, Neopets was like that too. I don't remember this though. This vacation island. I think this is new. Adventure Park. I don't remember this. Oh, this is this is a proper game mode. Would you shut up, lady? Sorry. All right, I don't know what this is. Quizzy's Corner. Oh, I remember this. I always thought this section of Quizzies is only in English.
Hello there. Welcome to Quizzy's Question Corner.
All right.
I'm your host, Quizzy.
I'm going to do ages 13 and up because I am older than 13 years old. Pick a subject, the arts. Yeah. Which one is a primary color? Blue. Next. Yeah, next question. What are bagpipes commonly made? Animal skin. I'm about to rock this. What does perspective do? Make things look 3D. We have to answer 50 questions? Oh. What's the finale? What color is mahogany? Like reddish
Miss
brown.
Caroline would be impressed.
What color is chartreuse? It's a blue. Uh-oh, it's a chartreuse. Uh-oh, it's a dark green. What is Georgia O'Keeffe known? Painting. Does monochrome mean? All the same. No. Different shades of the same color. I can do this. What is a choir? What color is maroon? Which one is a tertiary? Pink? No, what? Tertiary? Brown. What color is carmine? Carmine? Mauve. It's orange. It's red. What is carmine? Carmine color. I ain't never seen that before in my life. That's not a real color. How many people learn a quartet? 4. What is pottery? What is it? What a general question. Analogous colors are colors that, if they're analogous, they should be neighbors.
You are quite the studious student.
Thanks, man. Which one is a neutral color? Brown.
It looks like you learned quite a bit.
Which one is a tertiary color? Didn't we do this? Tertiary is yellow. Nope. Green. Nope. Turquoise. A mosaic? It's made of glass and stones. The focal point of a picture is the part that catches your eye. Music, what is a rest? Slow. Silent. What color is a cornflower? Corn. In art, what is mood? This is bullshit. Which one is a secondary color? Purple. All right, I'm good playing this. I'm good on this. Let's go to the Kin Style shop.
These brilliant designs are only available here. Choose the one that's right for you.
I'm stuck in the thing though. Wait, I want the Garth Brooks hat. Bye.
Great purchase. Now go look beautiful. See you again
Oops,
soon.
you're out of time.
Shut up. Okay, Wish Factory. And then we're going to get to the arcade games.
Welcome to the Wish Factory, where we make wishes come true. I'm Amanda Panda, and this amazing device beside me is a wish machine. The wish machine runs on tokens. You can collect tokens on special days in Webkinz World, and by doing various activities. You'll need at least 10 tokens to access the wish machine, but you can deposit them as soon as you get them.
Is
And
this
you
maybe
never
what I'm
know,
thinking of?
You might find a super token that will give you an extra reward. Once you have enough tokens, you'll be able to make a wish for the exclusive item of your choice. If you have any tokens, you can deposit them now. Just drag them from your dock to the coin slot. The wish machine will remember how many you've deposited. Your tokens are safe with me.
I don't trust you.
You can also click the wish of the day for even more ways to have your wishes granted. For the wish of the day, you don't need tokens at all. Just click the item you wish for the most, and at the end of each day, someone will have their wish come true. Make sure you visit with me every day to let me know your latest wish.
Okay, my wish. I wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller. I wish I had a girl, and I did, I would call her. Yeah, let me go with the Batman Returns rubber duck car.
That's a nice wish. I hope it comes true.
Thanks. Can I spin the wheel of wishes? Spin it.
Welcome to the Wheel of Wishes.
Why are you so quiet now? Spin. I love gambling. Webkinz lets me gamble.
Whoa.
You want a Mr. Moo ice cream fridge? Oh, that's kind of cool. That's actually tight.
Hey, great to see you again. Do you want to use a wish machine today?
No, I don't have money. Okay. Let's go back to our house. I can't go to the other room. I think because this guitar is in the way. I had the turtle webkin. I love that thing. That was probably my favorite. Okay. Here, eat this corn. And eat this cupcake. Where do I buy food at? I just realized I don't know. All right, drink the soda. Okay, drink this soda. Okay, eat this. Here, where are these symbols? Oh. Do they clap, though? What the hell? Why is dancing an unlockable thing? Anyone else think that's nuts? Anyone else find that crazy? Oh, can I stock my vending machine? That's interesting. Okay, where's Brewster at? Let's switch from Steve Harvey Jr. to Brewster. Yeah, okay. All right, Brewster should wear a chicken hat. Sure. And cowboy boots. And okay. Damn, man, you look stupid as hell. And like a belt? Oh, okay. Now he only wears the belt. We put a diaper on him? Okay. Why is he dressed like that? Okay, Barrel? Barrel, though, is going to look tight as hell. Well, these are soccer cleats. Oh. Sure they are. Okay, that looks tight. Okay, Steve Harvey Jr. coming to the room. I hate that Steve Harvey Jr. has to get naked to wear her symbols. That disgusts and upsets me. Didn't I get a cool Webkins lamp? Oh, there it is. Cool. Wow. Okay. Let's do Girly Pop TV. And a desk. This is a nightmare. Cool. I think I gotta move that vending machine because again, I cannot get to the other room. It's a very strange feature they cooked up on that one. Okay. Now may I leave? Okay. And let's put a chair next to the random trapdoor we now have in the floor. And this is where Brewster sits and watches his victims. And here's an ice cream cooler and a sink to wash his hands. And I think that looks pretty good. When do they take the Webkins away from me? Like, when does it become animal abuse? Oh, wait, but I need G coins. I don't have G coins. Oh no, there's stuff to buy with web cash. Anything cool though? What's special? No. 10,000 G coins. Now the e-store points. How much is 10,000 e-store points? It's gonna be about $10. Wait, was that a weenie mobile? Guys, I can't be spending real money on Webkins now. Now I can't be caught doing that. I have a wife and kids to take care of. I can't be doing that. Can you buy like old Webkins but virtually? Was that the platypus? Googles. Oh shit. Wait, can I buy back my childhood Webkins? The fish! Guys, would you guys judge me if I became addicted to Webkins? The sock monkey! I didn't know they made other socks. But I remember Sock Monkey. No, that's not the turtle I had. That's the turtle I had. Turtle. No bullfrog, though. Huh. Fun stuff. Adventures. So for $7, you can get whatever these are. Saplings. DIY. Buddies. What the hell is that? Exercise. Yo, let me get a jub. Let's get a trampoline. Oh, we could get a thing of grapes and then fall off of and go, oh, 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 oh. I'm gonna buy this trampoline. Games. Air hockey. Billiards. Jigsaw. Checkers. I remember that. Farming Frenzy. I don't know. Okay, so this is where you buy food. Oh, and you can learn to cook? Sure, of course you can learn to cook. Why not? You can learn to cook. Why not? Yo, they got a PS5 in here or something? How do I get like wallpaper? Like, what if I just want a nice wallpaper? Is that like a hard ask? Barnyard. Webkin's corn. Seeds. Oh, I thought that was like just a poster I could hang up. What? How do I? Is there just like a? I don't understand. Can I just get like a wallpaper? Rainbow Road. Oh, here we go. It's the road when you get there. It's on the road. It's called the Rainbow Road. And it does rain and you go. It's a place that you go when you die. It's a place called Rainbow Road. It's got Mario, Princess Peach, and the Toad. It's a place called Rainbow Road. It's Rainbow Road. It's where you go when you die. It's Rainbow Road. When I die, and that time's coming, Chad. I need you to be prepared for that. When I die, I want my body to be launched out of a cannon as the Rainbow Road music plays. Okay, I feel like this is enough. Oh, hi, Lucas. Lucas, what do you think of my cool Webkins? Actually, chat in general, what do you guys think of my cool Webkins? Are they tight? Are they cool? This one's Steve Harvey Jr. Please, only positive comments about Steve Harvey Jr. Wow, nightmare. Okay, put the trampoline like here, and then go crazy. Stop bouncing on it. Holy shit. I love gaming. Let's go play some arcade games. Let's play. Wow. There's the Wheel of WoW. There's the wheel I was talking about. Spin that shit.
Oh, wow.
Spin that shit. Oh, I got the Goo Goo Berry ice cream code. Wheel of Deluxe. Yo, spin that shit. Yeah, not as good. They don't have the cool voice. No one want the Wheel of Deluxe. Gold trophy case. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Okay. Now, it looks like there's a lot of games here. I'm looking for the ones that I played. And there are Cash Cow. Dude, my mom was addicted to Cash Cow. She used to get on our Webkins accounts to play Cash Cow. Holy shit. Which makes sense. Look at this. This is a mom game. I could play this for 800 hours though, I think. I would probably turn the music off, but oh, we're about to lose actually. There we go. I got it. We're clearing. I still know how to play Cash Cow. I still got this. Please, everyone in the chat, hold your applause. I am the #1 ranked Cash Cow player in North America. So how do you guys think Webkinz is staying afloat financially? Like, do you think it has people who still play it? Like, do you think there's an active enough player base? Or do you think it's kept alive primarily by, like people like me, people have nostalgia for it, who are like pumping it? Kill that, kill that. This is a good mini game. It's nice to like watch the money on the side go up. That make brain feel good. This one. Chet, do you have a game from your childhood? Maybe an online game, even, that you feel like you are a pumper fool for? Like you're like a whale for that game? You're like still putting money into like Farmville? You're still logging on to Mafia Wars? Because I did not know that there was like still an active like Webkinz collector community until I went to the flea market. And I wonder how many games there are that I played as a kid that still exists. You know, Club Penguin, I know there's still like there's a bunch of private servers, but there's not like an official thing. I mean, same with what we're gonna play on Thursday. Toontown has a thriving community, but it's all private servers, I think. I don't know. There's weird stuff going on where they were like going to release merch. Like the people running the Toontown like private client. And I don't know if that ever came true. We'll talk about that on Thursday. I don't know what happened there. I'll look into it. I feel like Disney would not be happy about that. But also maybe Disney just doesn't care at this point. I legitimately could sit here and play this forever. I could play this until my wife leaves me. You know, like, this is genuinely addicting. You only make 24 bucks doing it, though. You probably make more the deeper in you get. You know, the more difficult it gets and everything. That would make sense. There is something oddly comforting about Webkinz still existing in a relatively unaltered state. I can get very close to the Webkinz experience I had 17 years ago. There's something comforting about that. You know, again, no offense to Neopets. But Neopets, whenever I tried to do that stream, a lot of that stuff was like broken. Like, you could probably still get the same general experience from Neopets, but a lot of the mini games that you might have really liked maybe don't work anymore. Whereas this, it seems like everything's working, and that's pretty damn impressive. Again, for what it is. Chat, you let me know when you're sick of watching me play Cash Cow. You tell me when to turn it off. I'll be here all night. I'll be a pro Cash Cow streamer. This is my game of the year. Dude, when that truck starts up, that's pure adrenaline, baby. All right, that's enough Cash Cow. Yeah, my mom used to legitimately, she would play the shit out of Cash Cow. We would be hungry. We'd be like, Mom, please feed us. And she'd be like, I gotta play Cash Cow. So that was cool. Polar Plunge. I think this is an old one. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I should have read the instructions on this. Why it got jams? There we go. That's how you pick up speed. It's unfortunate that the jams are a 1 second loop, though. You know, like. I died. Okay. That one's good. I think these ones are new. I don't... They look too new. Smoothie Moves. I don't remember this one. But I think this is a classic. Oh, it's Zuma's Revenge. Oh! Dude, free Zuma's Revenge. Dude, log on to... Dude, you gotta log on to Webkins. They got free Zuma's Revenge.
Peachy Keen.
Isn't it crazy that this is free? You don't even need a Webkin to play Webkins anymore. You can just log on to play free Zuma's Revenge. Who's gonna stop you? The United States government?
You're one smart cookie. Get ready for some smoothie moves.
The thing is, I don't really know how to combo in Zuma's Revenge. I've never been good at that.
That's swell.
What is this? What is this like? Oh, they're like slowed down now. Okay. Oops. I didn't mean to do that. Never got into Webkins really as a kid, but I remember my classmates being huge on it. I don't know where I heard about Webkins, but also, you know, I don't remember where I heard about Club Penguin. You know, there are people I know who, like, Club Penguin they knew about because it used to be on, like, the front page, like, Congregate.
Get ready for some
I don't know if I heard about it from there. I have no idea, but I was big into Webkins. Even bigger into Club Penguin. You know, this kind of thing doesn't exist anymore. There aren't websites for kids to go on anymore. You know, like... They go on Roblox. And, I don't know. I don't think that's worked out too great. But then again, did the other ones really work out that great? I'm not really sure. And I don't know if I really want to know the answer. Was Club Penguin actually safe for children? I don't know. Was Webkins actually safe for children? I don't know. And I maybe don't ever want to know.
You're all kinds of wonderful.
But it doesn't exist anymore.
Smoothie moves.
You know, there is no CartoonNetwork.com anymore. Isn't that crazy? I don't even know if Nickelodeon has a website anymore. There is no longer like a designated safe space for children on the internet. It is like exclusively Fortnite and Roblox. And you just have to like hope. But then that ties into a larger conversation about there's also like no places for children IRL anymore.
Nice work.
And then we got to get into a larger conversation about
Get ready for some smoothie moves.
maybe they don't want children to thrive anymore. And that's, I can't be having that conversation on Twitch.tv. They're not going to like if I have that conversation while playing Webkins. While playing Zuma's Revenge on Webkins, they're not going to like me having that conversation. I'm about to lose this.
Peachy key.
Never mind, saved. You know, as much as I joke, like, at the start of the stream, like, kids these days, they don't know. They don't know how good they have it. You can have a free Webkins now. But the truth of the matter is, kids these days get a real short end of the stick. They really do. It's that easy.
Nice work, Sugar Plum.
All right, should we move on to a different game? Again, that's another one where like, oh, I'll just play that indefinitely. I'll just do that for 100 hours. Wacky Zingos. I'm pogging. This one you just you see this little fucker here? This is Zingo. You just want to beat the shit out of Zingos. When I was a kid, Hallmark used to have a plush of Zingos that you could buy. And I always wanted it. And I never bought it. And now I look at it, I'm like, you know, not that great of a design. But as a kid, I thought it was great. All right, let's see if I still know how to do this, because this game's hard. There it is. $700 hours of total gameplay spent on this game. Okay, that one's not that good. What about Wacky Zingos Extreme with bonus features? Whoa. Let's go Gravity Club. Okay. Oh, this sucks. Yeah, this is the deluxe exclusive minigame. This is, you gotta pay $9.99 a month to play this one. Oh, what the fuck? Whoa! Not a great way to make money, though. Okay. Webkinz Wishing Well 2. Don't play Wishing Well 1. It was bugged. Oh, this one's just gambling. That's right. It's just a slot machine, chat. Dude, video games used to be so good. You used to just be able to play virtual slots in a children's game. Damn. You used to just get to play virtual slots and life was good. Yeah, and then that's all you could play for the day. You could only play Wishing Well 2 once. Okay. What do we need? Earn 5 Kins Cash playing Wacky Zingos. Oh, I gotta go back to Wacky Zingos and make $2 more. All right, hold on. This is the kind of Flash game that, like, you would get email. You would, like, work in an office and, like, Tyler in accounting would, like, email this to you. But it would be like, you'd be like hitting like John Kerry with a club or something. You know what I mean? Like it would be like you'd be playing as like Beavis and Butthead and you would hit like Barney the dinosaur. You know what I'm talking about? You know, like beat your boss. Nice. Wheel Wow shirt, and I got $40 and a shirt that says wow. That was worth it. New challenges. Feed Steve Harvey Jr. a snack. Play Spree in the arcade. Okay. Play Alyssa Star Challenger in the Magical Forest. Oh, I did that one. Ant Mania. Oh, this one's just Snake, I think, if I remember right. Oh no, it ain't. Oh no, you just become Big Ant. Eat burger. Become Big Ant. I'm sorry, but these are better than any of the mini games I played on Neopets. This is gaming. Magic Garden, watch out. This is gaming. Fuck. You guys ever cry? Anyone ever cried before? Atlantiles. I don't remember what this is. Quick play. Oh. Is it a match 2 game? They have to be next to each other, maybe? That it? Should have read the instructions. To be honest with you. That probably would have been smart of me. Hint. Oh, okay. They have to be cleared up and then you could do diagonal, I guess. I guess. Ah. Interesting. I need another hint. Wait, why could those two match? Wait, what the hell was that? Oh, because it goes off the thing? That's fucked up. I don't like that. You could just do that. Whatever. Rules are fake. God's not real. Now what? This is a very strange game. Like, I don't understand why these two can't be matched. But these two can't. I don't understand. Sure. Still can't match those two. Why? I don't know. But you can match those two? Can I match these? Thank you. But you can't match those two. Why? Does God just hate me? Is that what it is? Is that what it's been the whole time? Again, why some but not other? Why some but not other? I don't understand you. Video game, I do not understand you. I don't understand. Chat, do you understand? Does anyone understand? Did I not try that one like 100 times? Why does that not work, brother? Oven to oven, fish to fish. Dragon to dragon. Bitch to bitch. I don't like this mini game. This flash game is bad. That's my official review. This one's not good. Not that like Zingo's swing was good, but it was at least understandable. Bonanza. Donkey Kong. Instruction. Back to main menu. Play. Oh. Now this is gaming. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm done playing Nintendo games. I'll just be playing Bonanza on the Webkins Arcade. Oh, cool. You can do the early flash infinite jump thing. Wow. When you crouch, he does that. That's pretty cool. I do that sometimes. Yeah, when's this coming to the Switch 2? Switch has no games. That's what I'm saying, man. If the Switch 2 had a game with a monkey in it called Bonanza, maybe it'd be a good console. Maybe. For speedrunning? Okay, I killed myself. Webkins exclusive would save Xbox? It would, too. Booger gets an A. Oh, this is a math game. Right, this is a little baby math game. Okay, so numbers that add up to 6. Wow. 7. 5, 6, 7. 7.
Didn't I tell you? You can count on me.
Oh, I hate this guy.
Woohoo! A sticker!
Oh, this guy's a nerd.
Woohoo! A sticker!
Oh, this guy's a little dweeb.
I'm a mathematician.
Oh, we gotta beat this guy up after school.
Count me impressed.
How about I count you dead meat?
Didn't I tell you? You can count on me. Woohoo! A sticker!
Chad, this is what you look like.
That's a sticker for me. Didn't I tell you? You can count on me.
I don't want to play this one anymore. No more of that.
Aw, shucks. those darn numbers?
Ah, fuck! I don't like that one. Zingo's Bounce and Burst. Like, oh, this is Pop Boy, Blaster Boy. What's the game called? Shoot Kid. Damn, they got every game on here. You don't even need a Mr. FPGA. Yo, just play this. Skip the Mr. FPGA. Just get on Webkins. Okay, see, now this one is listed as a deluxe membership game. So I want to say I actually did have a deluxe membership because I do remember playing this. I died. I fucking passed away. Does it work to just like stand in a corner and spam it? Like, if I just go here and I just mash that shit, that does a lot of damage. Chat, what is the name of this game originally? My brain keeps going with Bust a Move, and that's not it. It's like pop and lock it, Space Kaboom, shake it, quake it. All right, that's enough of this one. I get it. I get it. You're no, hey, you're no cash cow. Let's just make it clear. Candy Bash, Cash Cow 2. Okay, Candy Bash 2. I remember this one, Viva Poncho. This is another one that I think this is actually the one, maybe more than even Cash Cow, that I played an ungodly amount of. Was it? This is what I was playing? Hold on. This is what I don't think this is what I was playing. What is it? Like, I'm not doing anything. What is it? This was the game? All right, I think I played Cash Cow way more than this. I don't... Like, what's the fail state? That you miss one of the blocks? This has to get, like, significantly harder, right? I spent 700 hours of my childhood playing this? That can't be right. That can't be right. What is the fail state here? Oh. If you miss the block. Okay. Yeah, I think if they put that shit on Xbox, I think that'd save Microsoft. I think the company would be okay. Cash Cow 2. Is it just Cash Cow? It's just Cash Cow again. Without the cool truck gimmick. It's just Cash Cow with different colors. And you're filling up the cum meter in your local vending machine. Instead of filling up your truck. It kind of like feels worse. Like, yeah, I'd kind of rather just play OG. Okay, quit. Oh. I got a binder. Okay. Yeah, that one wasn't as good. Color Storm. I bet it's gonna be a match 3. Is it? I should have read the instructions. Oh. Is it? Oh, it's a match 4, but you control the droppings. Okay, that's enough of that one. That's an immediate, I'm good. I need to sleep before we keep playing. You don't need to do anything other than what I tell you to do. Crafty Canaries. I don't remember this one. It's a match 3. Oh. Okay, it's a match 3 with a different smell. It's cute. It's inoffensive. It at least feels kind of different to play because the movement of the gimmick of matching the 3. Holy shit. This one's fine. The music, it would have been nice if the music was longer than 1 millisecond long, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. Oh, I can't rotate. Well, that puts me in a pickle. I can't rotate. Do this one. So you really gotta grind these Flash games to like get enough money to like buy a toilet for your webkin. And I'm not like huge on the grinding the Flash games. I like the idea of just wanting to play the Flash games and making money there, you know. But I do like spinning a wheel once a day. I do like dailies. My brain does respond well to one repeated daily activity. Well, that fucks me a little bit, doesn't it? All right, chat. Much as I would love to sit here and play match 3 games with you all night, I do think we're hitting a point of like, yeah, there were a lot of match 3 games, huh? Yeah, they really like those match 3 games, huh? I mean, nothing wrong with a good match 3 game. And there are some good ones here. Again, Cash Cow. That's a fucking video game right there, man. Put that shit on the Switch. You know, Neopets got that collection of their mini games. Do that for this, and I would buy it just to play Cash Cow on my Switch. Right, that's enough. How many more games are there? Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Webkins Rally. Steve Harvey Jr. Go race. I don't remember this at all. Why he behind the wheel like that? Who let Steve Harvey Jr. drive? Today is literally his first day being born. He is the youngest person to ever exist. It's a ukulele racing game? That's fucked up. That's fucked up. Alright, I'm starting to figure out why I never played this one that much. That's enough of that. Crash your car. There's so many more web games than I remember there being. Dogbeard's Gold. I don't remember that. Eager Beaver Adventure Park. Oh, I remember that one. This one you do like letters. Where you like make words. Go Googles. Oh, I remember this one. Yeah, you launch them. And then you got to catch them. And then, yeah, you gotta hit the butterflies off before they land. This is an interesting choice of music. This is gaming. If this shit was on the Asus ROG Ally, PC gaming would be successful for the first time ever. Solitaire. Goober's Atomic Adventures. Oh yeah, I remember Goober. Goober's Lab. I think I remember Goober's Lab. I don't know if I remember Goober's Atomic Adventures. Hatch the Dragon. Skunk Sweeper. That's a classic. Home Before Dark. Oh, I remember Hungry Hog. Okay, hold on. I want to do Home Before Dark. Right. No thanks. Goober's Lab? Because I do remember this. It's a match. It's a match 3. It's as standard of a match 3 as they make them.
Atomico-licious. Oh. Try that again.
That's like Goober's hitting a fucking bomb. Goober's roasting a bone back there. Why does he also have a beanie cap?
Try again.
Is Booger Goober's son? That's enough of that one. I'm asking questions about Webkinz lore that no one has asked before. There's so many games. Hungry Hog, I remember. I remember this a lot. Because it looked like this. And I remember, yeah, the sound is a sound. It's Pac-Man. It's bad Pac-Man. But I remember your hog gets bigger the more you eat. Which I think like slows you down, maybe. Eat this bee. The fuck did you just say? What? Your hog gets bigger the more you eat. What? Bunger. They ever gonna make a bug snacks too? Oh, right. Okay, so the more you eat in sequence, the slower you get. You gotta like pace yourself. Damn. You're seeing the guy who got the high score on the local Miss Pac-Man machine. You're seeing him in work right now. My hog is gonna get so big. Okay, I had to take a negative there so that I could finish the level, though. It's not good game design, guys. And the little piggy woo-woos in. Can we get my hog so fat that he goes into cardiac arrest? See, this is another one I could play for 700 hours. It's just good old simple Flash games, you know? My brain just likes that. And then I make money for Steve Harvey Jr. All right, my hog's satiated. Jazz Monsters. I don't remember that. Jumbleberry Blast. I think that's new. Jumbleberry Fields. Leapin' Llama. Dex Dangerous. I remember this one. I remember this one sucking. Lily Pads, I might remember. Lunch Letters, I remember. Miss Caroline's. Yeah, Pinky's Big Adventure. Hungry Hog 2? Say less. Oh, I remember this. It's fun to go through these and watch them like get better at making arcade games. You know what I mean? This is still Pac-Man, but it's a better Flash Pac-Man. Like, this feels like a Nitro game. This feels like something you legitimately would play on Miniclip. All right, that's enough. We know. We've had our hogs hungry for long enough. Our hogs have been fed. All right. There's a lot here. Pet Party Parade. Picnic. I think this is the one that is, this is Snake, I believe. You lead ants. Pizza Palace. Pumpkin Patch Protector. Yeah, man. Skater Cat. I might remember that. Spree Head to the Mall. I don't think I remember that. Bonanza Tropical Troubles. Jesus Christ, there's so many mini games. We'll play like one more. Let's go for Skater Cat, because that sounds cool. You pass all 16 levels, you get an exclusive gnarly skateboard. What? I'm dead. Oh, this controls like ass. Oh, no. This is your game? Run that by me again. Use the left. Press the up to go faster. Hit 4 obstacles. Press the space bar once to jump, twice to double jump. Okay. Oh, Christ. Hey, I'm hitting that space bar. This controls like ass. This one's bad. You got to do 16 levels of this. And then your wife forgives you. Unless you come home and sleep in your bed. Oh, sorry. You know what? That's Hungry Hog. If you complete all the levels in Hungry Hog, your wife takes you back. Fuck you, man. Cool. Shove it up your ass. You don't jump until you release the spacebar. Okay, maybe we play one. Ends August 31st. What does? Guys, one more game. Any suggestions? Anything you want to see? You want to see Pizza Palace? You want to see Pumpkin Patch Protector? You want to see Quizzy's Word Challenge? You want to see Spree Head to the Mall? You want to see Star Drops? You want to see Bonanza Tropical Troubles? What the fuck is that thing? Tunneling Twigsy? You want to see Wacky Rozingos? You want to see Wacky's Bullseye Batter? You want to see Waddell's Ice Cap Adventure? You want to see Webkinz Scrambled? You want to see Whimsy Skies? You want to see Zacky's Quest? Good old Zacky. You want to see Zingo's Bounce? Zingo's Pop? Zingo's Pie Throw? Zingo's Zangos. Chat, you pick the last game. And then I'm going to go die, I think, is the plan. And then I'm going to go feel the life leave my body and ascend to a new form of being. I'm going to say Zacky's Quest then. Fuck you, we're Zacking. Oh, it's fucking Frogger.
Yummy. Yummy. Tasty.
That's what you sound like, chat.
Tasty. Tasty.
Time to peace.
Time to peace.
Hehe, that's cold.
Shut up. Holy hell.
Yummy.
I don't like Zacky.
Tasty.
I'm putting in a petition with Webkinz.com to remove Zacky
Tasty. Yummy.
from the history of Webkinz. He will be erased. His contributions to society will be forgotten.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
He's fucking dead. Zacky is fucking dead. You're laughing?
Extra try. Tasty. Yummy.
Found a piece.
This is gaming.
Yummy. Ooh. Ooh.
Fuck, I made the exact same mistake.
Yummy.
You think you'd be friends with Zacky? Like IRL?
Ooh.
I don't think I would. I don't like him.
Ooh. Ooh.
All right, one more. One life. I can do this. 40 seconds on the clock.
Yummy.
My wife and
Yummy.
kids watching at home.
Ooh.
Fuck. Okay, last try. This guy, this middle.
That's cold.
Turn the stream off. Turn the stream off. My wife and kids are so embarrassed. They're crying. My wife just called me. She's crying. My heart can't fill up when I'm this tired. Go to sleep, bitch. Eat a big berry. Eat a big berry. Eat a hot dog. You don't want to eat a big hot dog? I don't have like food to give you. You want an ice cream cone? You want a bowl of letters? You want a hot dog? You want this? Eat a big hamburger like Big King Kong. Oh, I got a cool lab coat out of it. Okay, keep eating these. I just got a grill. I just got red pants. Can you wear the WoW shirt? Wow. You look dumb as hell, man. And we love that for you. Okay, switch to Brewster. Brewster in his giant diaper. Eat this. Damn, man. He looked dumb as hell. That's cool. Chat, that's the stream. Webkins is a game. You can play it. I might. It's like I said, it's nice to know this still exists in the way that it does. It's nice to know that the thing that I played 16, 17 years ago online still exists and is mostly unchanged from how it used to operate. You certainly can get the same experience, and the Flash games are still there. I might be logging in just to play some of that Cash Cow, man. I might be logging in just for that. If you like a Neopets or if you like me and liked Webkins back in the day, it's cool that you can do this. It's cool that you can play this. There's a little nostalgic corner to go to, and that's nice, man. I appreciate this still existing. And it's interesting that you get a free pet and can earn medallions to get another free pet. Like, that's interesting, man, because that never, back in the day, that never would have happened. Back in my day. That never would have happened. So that's cool, man. That's a good way to keep this game alive. Yeah. This was fun. Oh, right. And then you can throw ingredients on here and cook and make meals. Okay. Trophy case. Put the underwear in the trophy case. No. Put the... I put the hat in the trophy. It's cool, man. It's a cute little game. And it's nice to see that it still exists. That's pretty nice. For now, though, I'm done, chat. I'm out of here. I am not streaming tomorrow. It's Wednesday. I will be busy. But how do I switch pets again? This Steve Harvey Jr. But I will be back Thursday, and we'll check out another children's social MMO, though with more of a MMORPG aspect on it. Somewhere in between Webkins and Ultima Online lies Toontown. And we'll play that on Thursday. Steve Harvey. Steve Harvey Jr. Wow. Chat, enter this as your code. Chat, enter this code. Go to Webkins right now, enter this code so I get $2,000 and cool clothes. That's crazy that you can play this on your phone. Can I play Cash Cow on my phone if I download this? Because if that's true, I'm going to do that. What the fuck is this guy wearing? All right. Chat, that's the stream. Minecraft. Dr. Quack. Bronze statue. Yeah, where's Dr. Quack? You know, I hadn't even thought about that. Where is Dr. Quack? You used to take your Webkin to Dr. Quack. And then there was like all the creepypasta about like Dr. Quack will kill it.
Everyone loves babies. Here we go. Let's do this growth moment. We're about to grow my Sally Webkins avatar. When you complete enough growth moments for your baby, though, you have the option to age them up to a kid. When you complete the last growth moment, you'll be asked if you want to age up your baby. You don't have to make the decision right now, though. You can keep your baby as a baby for as long as you like. Alright, let's do this. Let's grow my baby. Whoa! That's a big kid now. Check her out. Look at those spots. Oh yeah. There she is.
I don't want to watch any more of that. Where's Dr. Quack's house? Curious. Does Dr. Quack not have an office anymore? Yo, you can't go talk to Dr. Quack, and he goes like, I will sell you Percocets. Who wants Quaaludes? That's so sad. Yeah, that's the stream. I'll be back Thursday with Toontown. Thanks for being here. Thanks for hanging out. Big ups. Much love to you. Good night.